This is not trash. This is the raw material for the world's most expensive eco-leather.
Frozen blocks of eel and salmon skin are submerged in saline baths to slowly thaw without damaging the collagen structure.
Core temperature is 4 degrees. Structure is intact. No freezer burn detected.
The skins travel from thawing to the descaling room on this specialized conveyor system.
For salmon, the scales must be removed, but the pocket that holds the scale must remain. This creates the signature pattern.
Eels have no scales, but they are covered in a protective slime that must be chemically dissolved using lime and enzymes.
Any remaining meat or fat will rot. The fleshing machine scrapes the underside to a thickness of exactly 0.8 millimeters. Now, the most difficult challenge: turning these small, irregular skins into large, luxury panels.
The fleshing machine removes the subcutaneous fat layer with surgical precision.
Maintaining the blade angle is clean. The grain is open, ready for tanning.
Unlike traditional chrome tanning, this facility uses organic mimosa bark extract.
The skins will rotate here for 48 hours. The tannin replaces the water in the cells, turning perishable skin into durable leather.
Perfect penetration. This is now crust leather, ready for the dyeing drums.
To achieve the signature deep ocean hues, synthetic aniline dyes are weighed to the milligram.
Temperature 60 degrees Celsius, pH 3.5, fixation phase starting now.
The dye must penetrate 100% through the dermis. If the center is white, the batch is rejected.
Fish shrinks by 40% when drying. It must be mechanically stretched to regain.
Dried fish leather is hard as plywood. The staking machine pummels the fibers 1,000 times a minute to make it soft as silk.
The transformation is evident.
Observe the collagen fibers on the right, now pliable after the staking process.
High-pressure friction generates heat, bringing natural oils to the surface for a glass-like finish.
Mirror finish achieved. Grade A.
The eel skin meets the highest standard for reflectivity.
The measurement conveyor utilizes advanced laser scanning to precisely calculate the area of irregular hides in square decimeters. Now, the most difficult challenge: turning these small, irregular skins into large, luxury panels.
To make a single handbag, over 100 individual eel skins must be perfectly matched.
0.3 millimeters at the edge. We need a seamless overlap.
Heat and and pressure fuse the pieces together. The result is a continuous sheet of luxury eel leather, stronger than the individual parts.
Before assembly, every seam in the Mosaic panel is reinforced with a micro-stitch to prevent separation under stress.
Uniform tension. Grain alignment is vertical. Proceed to pattern cutting.
The computer-controlled knife vibrates at high frequency.
This allows for a perfectly clean edge on the delicate eel leather.
Fish skin is naturally soft. To create a structured luxury bag, a stiffener made of recycled leather fiber is fused to the back.
Here at the fusing station, Elena Rossi oversees the critical thermo-activation stage, ensuring the materials achieve a permanent molecular bond.
Machines can cut, but only human hands can execute the perfect French binding edge.
Dwell time 10 seconds. Shaping the gussets.
The raw edges are sealed with 4 layers of rubberized paint. Each layer must dry and be sanded before the next.
This is the final layer of glazing, applied with the brass roller for a perfect dome shape.
The glazing protects the raw.
The hardware installation process requires absolute precision.
Check for scratches. The plating is 24 karat.
The lining is constructed entirely separate from the outer shell.
We utilize a precise 2mm stitch to secure the velvet.
Aligning the lining is critical here.
The post-bed machine allows the sewer to stitch 3-dimensionally, closing the bag without crushing its shape.
The turning process is the most critical phase.
We use only the finest bridle leather, requiring significant force to reverse.
Structure is solid. Seams are straight.
Pass.
From frozen waste to a $4,000 accessory, the transformation is complete.
A broken needle tip left inside the bag would be a disaster. Every single unit passes through a military-grade metal detector.
Each bag receives a digital passport, tracing the fish skin back to the specific fishery it came from.
Here we utilize the silk dust cover, minimizing any risk of scratching the hide.
The drawstring closure secures the item for transit.
The folding process utilizes pre-creased channels to ensure structural integrity.
Pack ID 40555 verified. Clear for master carton.
Cross the loops and pull through, maintaining tension.
This practice movement ensures symmetry.
Finally, trim the ends precisely.
Inside the factory, they are treasures. On the logistics stock, they are just Freight Unit 77-Alpha. The machine applies the final layer of film, ensuring maximum stability.
The pallet must be positioned precisely at the rear of the container.
Confirmed. The cargo is now ready for departure.
This container holds $2 million worth of sustainable marine leather.
What started as waste from the food industry is now the centerpiece of high fashion. The unique texture of the salmon skin, preserved through 60 stages of engineering.
It's not just leather, it's chemistry, patience, and respect for the material.
inside the fish leather factory.
All machinery is currently operating at maximum capacity.